Alright guys, so yeah, about these locks, I didn't even finish. I did 2 packs of the 18-inch and 3 packs of the 24-inch. I mixed the colors, and although I swear these locks are really pretty, they really are pretty. They're not like that loose texture, so that's why I kind of gravitated to these. And they do look more, I guess, authentic, if that's what you want to call it. But y'all, I ain't gonna burn it. Like, I did not finish. I probably need maybe like 1 or 2 packs, but I feel like putting 1 or 2 more packs of these locks in is definitely gonna make it like a super full look and heavy. I'm trying to even put these up in like a bun, a cute bun. I don't see that working out. And let me just say, okay, these, although they are gorgeous, I love them, love them, and I like that they're not like fat or whatever. These are the slim versions. Love them. But let me say, these are the most difficult locks that I have ever tried to install with the crochet method. Like, oh my god, like the loops are so small. And I should have listened to I think her name is, I think she goes by J Marie or Ja Marie. I can't remember how she pronounces her name. Really pretty girl, super popular YouTuber. I love her tutorials. She's the best. I think she used this brand if I'm not mistaken. And she did say look for the pack with the small, or with the larger holes. And I tried to look for those, but sometimes it's kind of hard to tell in the pack. So some of the holes, because they are handmade, like this brand, I think that's why I like the Locs too, because they're actually, each one is handmade. It's only come 10 locks in a pack. I don't like that part, but 10 locks come in a pack, and they're each handmade, so they're not one and the same. Each lock is different. So yeah, although I like these, I really do, I'm gonna end up having to take them out. I'm gonna have to take them out. They're a little too heavy for me, and I would need to put in more, because like, look y'all, like I stopped, like I ran out of hair. I ran out. So I'm just gonna have to, I don't even feel like taking them out, but I'm gonna have to take them out. And I was trying to get like a layered look, and I didn't see any 20-inch, so I went from an 18 to a 24. Horrible mistake. Shouldn't have done that. I was trying to be fancy. Shouldn't have tried to be fancy. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out, and I did find some more Locs from another brand. So I'm gonna install those and let you guys see how those work. Hopefully those work better. Like I said, these are super cute. If you still want to give them a try, go ahead. I do like them. It's just installing is a nightmare. It took me over 2 hours just to get here, just for the installing of the crochet. And y'all know that's the easy part. So if it takes 2 hours just to put them in, yeah. So yeah, y'all, that's like my honest review of these. These are the butterfly Locs, the slim ones, the 18 and 24 inch. I mixed 3 different colors. So yeah, that's all I got, y'all. That's all I got. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in and listening to this tutorial / review. So like I said, if y'all want to go ahead and try for yourself, feel free. But just know, it's gonna be a little tough trying to put these babies in. Anyway, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in, and I will catch y'all on the next